Biker family, get ready for the Lavish Biker Bash 3-day weekend going on in Detroit, August 30th through September 1st. Meet and greet Friday at the Boogie Down Motorcycle Club from 9 until Saturday. Bring them loud pipes and custom bikes to Arsenal Harley Davidson for the day party and sound competition from 12 to 5, followed by the main event from 9 to 2 at the TCBC Hall, located at 8031 Tireman, Detroit, Michigan. So tell a biker to bring a biker to the Lavish Biker Bash. For more info, contact Lavish T. Williams on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. See you in Detroit.